Hold up, Ty. They're over the field now. The wind's gonna be wrong for them. Let's see what they do. They went over the field. I'm gonna see if I can set a
Yeah.
That's what I first started out with.
That's
a great call.
Fucking call.
Yeah. That's how I learned off that call right there.
There you come.
Anybody see them?
Now,
I see them right here.
You do see them?
ah, they're coming.
Oh, they're still coming.
Yeah.
All right, be easy. There they come. Sit tight. The big group's locked up out front. Sit tight, Brandon. Just sit tight. Just sit tight. Nobody move. You got the second group? Ready to come around. Time.
It's so hard.
Come back. Yeah, wait, stay. Get ready.
Man, they're gonna do it again.
They're gonna make it on this one.
GoPro one?
Kill him, kill him.
I can't get him.
Down two.
Here, let me get the bow. I'll go get them.
Alright. Nice.
Take your gun.
Yeah, let me get the gun. Where are they
Go
going?
with him, Chase.
They're still moving.
Chase, go with him. Are they coming back? Come on back in here, they
I need
are.
a shell. I need another shell. Oh shoot, there's a bunch of groups.
Come on, get in here then. Come on. Come on in. Get in here. Come on. Lizard, you gotta watch him. He's still over there. Hold up, Brandon. Just go get that view. Oh, Brandon's already going. He's good. Brandon, go get them geese, or they're gonna land out there. Chase, go. Because they're gonna land with those two geese.
Yeah.
Right, hold on.
The other one dive?
Yeah, dude. Right there. There you go. I'm gonna get you one right here.
All right.
Good job.
That worked out pretty good. Just a little bit far.
I never seen them dive like that.
I know, I never seen a goose dive either. Especially when they're injured.
We're gonna be coming in hot. Fuck. Got it.
Yeah.
Alright, put that anyway.
Oh, stuck.
Be careful, because that thing's slippery.
Yeah, it's getting stuck in the corner. Well, I might be able to pull it. There we go.
Here, okay, here. Big old birds. That's a big ass bird. Alright, good deal.
I'll be up.
Hey, you're good. Thank you. Look at his face. Go.
Yeah.
That was awesome. Holy shoot. You see that head's right up there where I put it?
Yeah. Overtime.
Hey, you want me to blind or where you want them?
I don't care where they go. What are you saying?
You asked if we want him in the blind.
You can leave them up there. I don't care.
They're big ass birds.
Leave them up there. It's fine.
There it goes.
Oh shit.
Oh, God.
They just got up, it looks like.
Look, hey, shut the fuck up.
Yeah.
You can see those three? Those three were right off this side.
Yeah, I heard them. I heard one over there.
Those three were right there. That's why I was like, y'all were in here
Don't
talking.
come around. Oh, and you're talking.
I was like, shut up. They're right here.
Yeah, that's where we're gonna have to kill them.
It's right here.
No, where they were. Maybe
I
a
didn't even
touch,
shoot.
maybe a touch earlier.
I didn't shoot.
That was cool. They
I stepped
come
back.
around nice, you know.
I seen your pull up. I was like, nah, fuck that.
I shot at the tail bird.
We need everybody to shoot, you know.
That was a big group. That was a nice group.
That was pretty.
I can't believe
Yeah,
you see that one dive.
Oh yeah.
I was like, where'd he go? I'm so used to killing ducks. I ain't killed a goose in a long time. I'm like, man, that's a big ass bird.
They decoyed pretty, man.
I know they did.
If that wind would have been more with the river, they'd have put the
They
big
were
gun right
dropping
there.
over there.
That's why we had to shoot.
Uh-huh.
I was hoping they would break off and make one more fucking swing.
You didn't
And
see them
sit
three
here.
when we were coming back? They were right here off the corner. Oh
They
my
were
god.
locked up.
They were right here. They were low.
Really?
For a second, then he tried to make one more round.
Because we were watching this group over here that y'all were looking at. And then I happened to look over like this, me and Chase. I was like, Chase, what the fuck? They're right there.
Where'd they come from?
They came right over top of the house.
That's the one I heard. I heard a honk over here, and then Chad's like right there.
When I
was like,
started
oh, shit.
calling, that's when there was
Yeah.
some three right there.
Yeah. I said, I heard one. Brandon must see him. And then Chad says, you're right there. I was like, damn, I didn't hear nothing from that side. That was a big group, though.
Oh, them three were low right here. That fucking motor, man.
And
She don't want to see Ron.
then when I turned the carburetor up, the idle up, it's too high to shift.
Yeah.
You know. It's just, it's fine once it's frickin' warm.
Can't
Which is
believe that